go. Present for Kevin.
Alan has pulled out of that little mort of his a fender made out of cardboard. Nice one. And I told the wife you got one.
Sorry, Jeanette. Not a bad job. Sorry, Jeanette. Hi guys, welcome back to Retro Car Dogs. As you can see, I'm getting a friend of mine to spray the roof for me. I'll be spraying the other things because I'm vertically challenged and he's about 6'4". So I'll have to stand on 10 chairs and 20 boxes to spray the roof. But we're doing a primer coat. John, just explain to the guys what the coat is, the purpose of this initial coat is.
This is MS primer we're putting on. That's to pick up the indentations, to put it's an edge primer, so it eats into the metal so that it stops the rust. What it also does over there, it puts a nice thick layer on, like the old spot putty used to do, but it's a primer where you can flat it and you can make it smooth like glass. So it's the preparation part of the whole thing.
Fantastic. Let's see how it goes.
And we always start and work on the edges. First do the edges before you do the main filling job over there.
Brilliant.
So let's have a bash and see what it does. Yeah, what's the deal?
Guys, you'll remember this is the little VR6 we're doing. As you can see, engine there is out and we're doing a lot of major work on it now. So this is, as he explained, edge primer. Guys, welcome back to Retro Car Dogs. So, some useful tips that I've just been given, because I'm not a professional painter, we're always learning, is when you're spraying down, go down with your body like this, so you don't get this movement where you're getting close and far in terms of the spraying. And we learn all the time. So let's have a go. This is what you call, so that's Big Uncle John, and that's Monkey 1, and I'm Monkey 2. So it's crash course in spray painting, having an absolute jaw, because this is not a majorly important finishing coat. We've got professionals that do that for us. This is, well, John is the professional. So we're just all the happies and having fun and enjoying it, because we're moving to that next stage on the car. As you can see, the roof's come out beautiful. But again, guys, preparation is everything. You've got to prepare it right for it to look right. There goes the pro. See the difference in spraying technique. Controls have been handed over. There we go. Monkey 1, say hello. Monkey 1, say hello.
Hi, everybody. Don't spray like us, we're useless.
Hold your gun up, tilt your gun right, tilt your, no, don't swing, move your arm left to right, hold your gun up right. You see, these are the problems we have to put up with cheap labor, guys. It's a struggle. But we hope you're having fun and enjoying the channel, guys.